Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the reunion of the cousins. Yeah, this is one with the blue tongue, that's one with the green tongue, that's one with the blue tongue. Fantastic. And we're here today in sunny Whipsnade Zoo, where it's not even sunny, it is absolutely snowing it down. As you can see, the animals have escaped.
I am not happy.
Okay, tell us where we are, Astrid.
We're in a giraffe stable. They're eating trees and wood. Everyone runs for their life.
How many are there?
That's your favourite, isn't it, Tom?
4.
4. They're beautiful, aren't they? Look at those. Thank you. Very good.
Let's go.
I'm busy. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Whipsnade Zoo, ZSL, Zoological Society of London, where we have a new exhibit. This is the 2 monkeys on a swim exhibit. As you can see, they've not been fed, they're very, very hungry. They're very, very cheeky monkey, yes, and they are slobbering monkeys blowing COVID all over me. Thank you very much. Join us next week for more monkeys on swings, don't we? What amazing colours on those flamingos.
Okay. See you later.
Right, show your teeth, wrinkle your nose and snarl. Wrinkle the nose, snarl. Keep your mouth closed, look your opponent in the eye and growl menacingly. Growl menacingly. Close your eyes and have a yawn. Oh, very good. Oh, you look tasty.
That's it. To what cats respond to.
I don't think you've thrown it at a catnip mouse or whatever, would it?
Come here.
Oh.
Come on, Shere Khan. God, look at that thing. Imagine how powerful that thing is. The Asian elephant.
Wait, is that inside of there now? What are those?
Oh my goodness, there's a bunch of them.
What are those?
Elephants have some of the heaviest teeth in the planet, and like ours, they go forwards from the back of their jaw. As the teeth get ground away, a new set moves forward. Each elephant will get through 6 sets of teeth in a lifetime.
Can you imagine the tooth fairy? Please, can you put that in the back?
Elongated incisors. Most male Asian elephants grow tusks, while calves and some adults grow smaller tusks.